In this video, I'll take you through updating the firmware on your Sony A7R Mark V to version 2.02, one step at a time. Alright, let's start. First, turn on your camera and check the battery level. While the minimum requirement is 51% battery level, Sony recommends using a fully charged battery for the update process. You could always charge your battery and wait until the LED lights on the charger go off. Once you're good with the battery, turn on the camera and press the menu button. Next, navigate down to the setup icon. Within the setup menu, navigate to the setup option group. Within that group, select version item. We'll first check the software version. It needs to be lower than 2.02 to proceed. The next step involves formatting the memory card. Navigate back out to the camera icon or shooting menu. Within the shooting menu, select the media group, then the format item. Within format, choose slot 1 to perform a quick format. Select enter. Once the formatting is complete, turn off the camera. Next, open up a browser and go to sony.com/electronics/support and select cameras and camcorders, digital cameras, interchangeable lens cameras, E-mount body, ILCE7 series. And up on top, select Downloads tab. Scroll down to select ILCE7R M5. And here we have the 7R Mark V system software firmware version 2.02. Once you select it, you can examine the instructions including the benefits and improvements. However, you can continue and follow my video. At the very top, select Download. Scroll through the agreement until Download is highlighted, then select Download. Here you have the options to sign in for download, create an account for download, or download without an account. I have an account, so I'll sign in for download. Either way, the firmware will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, minimize the browser and go into Downloads. There you'll find the firmware and its body.data.dat file. Now open the side panel of your camera and get the already formatted memory card out from slot 1. Plug the memory card into the computer's SD card slot or into a memory card reader. Open the memory card folder or drive. Drag the pin to the side a little bit so it's not in the way. Now drag the DAT file to the root directory of the memory card away from the folders. Then eject properly the memory card drive. Remove the card from the reader or the computer. Insert the memory card back into slot 1 of the camera. Turn the camera back on and navigate back into the version screen. Press the menu button. Go back to the setup icon. Within the setup menu, navigate to the setup option group. Within that group, select the version item. In the version screen, the software update box will be available and no longer grayed out. select Software Update. Scroll down until the word Execute is highlighted. Go ahead and select Execute and wait. The screen will go blank. The red light will start flashing on the bottom right here. It would take several minutes, so I'm speeding up the video. When the update is completed, the camera will automatically restart. After restarting, when the body update complete screen appears, press OK. It recommends installing the Creators app on your phone. I already have it. Okay, everything is done. You may want to go back and check the firmware version number. And there you go, 2.02. And the software update box is grayed out. So you can't update any further for now. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope you come back for the next video.